Installing signage in commercial, apartment, condo, hospital, and hotel buildings often requires measuring, marking, and using a level numerous times for each sign location. Available tools do not have the means of setting a repeatable height, attaching jigs for custom shapes, or pilot hole drilling templates. This is why we created Self-Centered, to allow workers to move from location to location without having to pull out a tape measure and level each time to mark walls and doors for sign installation. This tool has two rulers, the front ruler for measuring from either end inwards, a rear ruler for setting sign width for center finding, as well as upper and lower channels for attaching different accessories. To use, set the two end stops to the sign width on the ruler, then attach the bracket, monopod, adjust to the required height, and lock in place. Place the assembly against the closed door and extend the simultaneously geared rails outward, centering the tool within the door jamb, and turn the thumb screws to lock them in place. Now install the sign between the two previously set end stops. Once the tool is calibrated, you can continue installing signs on all the doors without any further tool adjustments or measurements. Signs can also be installed adjacent to doors. This current demonstration illustrates two custom-shaped jigs mounted to the tool and installation of signs adjacent to the door jambs.